Choosing the right saw makes everyday cutting tasks safer, faster, and more precise for DIY projects, repairs, and small builds around the house. Best saw for home use options balance power, control, versatility, and affordability to handle wood and metal. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Metabo C10 FC G2 Miter Saw. The Metabo C10 FC G2 miter saw is a strong choice for homeowners who want professional-level accuracy without the bulk or cost of larger job site models. Built around a powerful 15-amp motor, this 10-inch single-beveled compound miter saw delivers up to 5,000 RPM, allowing it to slice cleanly through hardwoods, softwoods, trim, and framing materials with consistent precision. Its cutting performance is especially well suited for home improvement projects such as flooring installation, furniture building, shelving, and detailed trim work. One of the most appealing aspects of the C10 FC G2 is its user-friendly design. Weighing only 24 pounds, this saw stands out for its portability. Home users who need to move tools between storage and workspace or transport them occasionally will appreciate its lightweight, compact construction. Despite its reduced weight, the saw does not compromise on durability or cutting capacity. Its versatile cutting range includes 0 to 52 degrees of miter adjustment left and right, and a 0 to 45 degree bevel to the left, enabling a wide variety of angled and compound cuts. Adjustable bevel stops further improve repeatability for common angles. Overall, the Metabo C10 FC G2 balances power, precision, and portability extremely well, making it an excellent miter saw for home use, where space, ease of handling, and reliable performance are equally important. Number 2. DEWALT DWS 780 Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS 780 miter saw is widely regarded as a premium option for homeowners who demand high precision, power, and long-term reliability. Designed with a robust 15-amp motor producing 3,800 RPM, this saw handles demanding cutting tasks with ease, from thick hardwood boards to dense molding materials. Its build quality reflects DEWALT's reputation for durability, making it suitable not only for home workshops, but also for users who frequently tackle large renovation projects. A standout feature of the DWS 780 is the integrated cut-line blade positioning system combined with XPS LED shadow line technology. Instead of relying on traditional lasers that require calibration that captures over 75% of dust, helping keep home workshops cleaner and safer. The saw's tall sliding fences provide excellent support for crown molding and baseboards, accommodating large pieces without sacrificing stability. These fences slide out of the way smoothly when making bevel cuts, maintaining flexibility without constant adjustments. Although larger and heavier than entry-level miter saws, the DWS 780 rewards users with unmatched cutting accuracy, smooth operation, and long-term performance. For homeowners who prioritize precision, clean cuts, and advanced features, this model represents a top-tier investment for serious home improvement and woodworking projects. Number 3. SKIL MS6305 Miter Saw. The SKIL MS6305 miter saw offers an impressive blend of power, versatility, and value, making it an appealing option for home users who want advanced features without a premium price tag. Equipped with a 15-amp motor capable of delivering up to 4,800 RPM, this saw provides fast, clean cuts across a wide range of common woodworking materials. Whether handling framing lumber, shelving boards, or trim pieces, it maintains consistent cutting performance for everyday home projects. One of the defining strengths of the MS6305 is its dual bevel capability, allowing bevel cuts both left and right with positive stops at commonly used angles. This feature saves time by eliminating the need to flip materials with its ability to cross-cut up to 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees and 2x8 lumber at 45 degrees, providing flexibility for larger home construction or renovation projects.
The wide miter range, cutting up to 50 degrees left and right with multiple positive stops, further improves usability for common angle cuts. While it may not have the heavy-duty build of higher-end professional models, the MS6305 delivers excellent performance, accuracy, and convenience for homeowners. Its thoughtful feature set and competitive pricing make it a strong all-around miter saw for general home use and DIY woodworking.
Number 4. DOVAMAN 3800 RPM Miter Saw. The DOVAMAN 3800 RPM miter saw is designed to meet the needs of home users seeking versatility, precision, and enhanced safety in a compact package. Featuring a powerful 15-amp pure copper motor, this saw delivers reliable performance at speeds up to 3800 RPM, allowing it to cut smoothly through a variety of wood types. Its compound cutting capability supports both horizontal and vertical 45-degree cuts, making it suitable for a wide range of DIY and home renovation tasks. The integrated sliding rail system significantly increases cutting capacity, with a maximum size of 4.2 by 13 inches, enabling users to handle larger boards and panels without difficulty. Safety and ergonomics are clearly prioritized in the DOVAMAN design. The upgraded switch system incorporates a safety lock and allows comfortable operation from either hand, making it accessible for a wider range of users. The transparent blade guard maintains visibility of the cutting process while providing essential protection during operation. Overall, the DOVAMAN 3800 RPM miter saw offers a practical balance of power, accuracy, and safety. It is particularly well-suited for homeowners who want a capable, feature-rich saw for varied woodworking projects without stepping into professional-grade pricing.
Number 5. The SKIL 15-amp miter saw. The SKIL 15-amp miter saw is a straightforward and dependable option for homeowners who want reliable cutting performance for basic to intermediate projects. Powered by a strong 15-amp motor producing up to 5,300 RPM, this saw delivers fast, efficient cuts that help reduce work time while maintaining clean results. It comes equipped with a 7¼ carbide-tipped blade, making it well-suited for trim work, small framing tasks, and general DIY projects around the home. Ease of use is a major advantage of this model. The spindle lock allows for quick and simple blade changes, while the bevel capacity of up to 51 degrees with a positive stop at 45 degrees supports a wide range of angled cuts. A built-in dust blower keeps the line of cut clear, improving visibility and accuracy without the need for frequent cleanup pauses. Safety features are well integrated, including a safety lock, guarded trigger, and power-on indicator, all designed to minimize accidental starts and enhance user confidence. While this saw does not offer advanced features like sliding rails or dual bevel adjustments, it excels as a compact, user-friendly tool for everyday home use. Its combination of speed, simplicity, and safety makes it a practical choice for homeowners who want a dependable miter saw for routine projects without unnecessary complexity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.